Hey guys, I'm having problems with my new Kawasaki. I just bought it yesterday. It's a used bike. Only has 19,000 miles. Bought it for around $1,700. It's a cheap price. Everything went well. I bought it from Pennsylvania originally. From New York. I drove it here to New York, and everything was fine. And I was trying to turn it on right now, and it's not working. Um, I'm doing everything right, clutch, the kill switch is on and everything, but it just makes this weird sound, like a clicking sound. Hold on. Let me try so you can hear it. That's all it's doing. So I have no idea. I'm not very bike savvy. Um, I don't know why it's happening. I need advice. Would be more than helpful. Thank you very much for listening to this video.